Hello, friends. This is your friend in health, Dr. Sandeep Jassal, and today I'm out for a walk over here. And what I'm thinking is that I was thinking of talking to you while walking. Why? Because an idea came to my mind about the ideal workout schedule for everybody who is above 40 years of age. And if somebody is above 40 years of age, it is important that you should not over exercise, and it is also at the same time important that you should not under exercise. Why? Because by 40, or whenever you touch 40 years of age, your preoccupations in life, they become very important. You have various responsibilities and you are not able to focus upon your own health and fitness, which is very important, because many of the problems start coming only when you touch the middle age. And these repercussions of these problems are very long term, and they can cut down your life by many years, as much as 10 years. I can share a study with you about the metabolic slowdown which happens at 40 years of age. And you never know when is the metabolism slowing down and what is happening inside your body and creating a negative impact upon your life, your health, your well-being, your fitness, your physical fitness, your mental well-being, everything put together. So here, why I am breathless. I'm walking at a speed which should make me breathless. I shouldn't be able to speak one full sentence without feeling breathless. So that is the tip number one. And what is that? You should aim to achieve a heart rate of 80, 70 or 80% of your target heart rate. Now let's talk about target heart rate. Target heart rate is 220 minus your age. If your age is 50, then 220 minus 50 will make 170. I was talking about the target heart rate. Now let me tell you what is target heart rate. It is the 220 minus your age. Now if you're 50 years of age, then 220 minus 50 makes 170. It will be 17 multiplied by 3, that is 51. So 170 multiplied, that is 120. Let me show you now my iWatch and see how much heart rate we have reached. So let me put this camera onto my iWatch, and this here you see. And so far I have walked for 37 minutes and I have burnt 130 calories. And my heart rate is still being monitored. You see, it is 117. So I am nearing that target which I'm telling you to follow, right? And then if I do that, I need to continue that much of speed or that much of pace for minimum around 30 minutes for 5 times in a week, which means in total I need to achieve 150 minutes like these for the total exercise which I should be doing, at least for the cardiovascular fitness, for keeping the heart healthy. And if you do this, you are not over exercising and you are not under exercising. I see many people walking for hours and they are walking very slowly, so their heart is not being put to the right kind of exercise, and which is again, wastage of time and wastage of effort. Or some people would go and run. It's good to run, but you see what happens if you are not physically, or your heart is not that fit, then running all of a sudden can be retroproductive, because you may end up having some sort of injuries which may put you to rest for 3 weeks, 6 weeks. It depends upon the kind of injury. So you need to scale up gradually rather than just getting motivated all of a sudden and starting running, right? So this is a good way to start, and I'll be sharing with you certain other tips on exercising and age wise. So stay tuned to Live Life More Health, the channel, the diet and fitness, the diet and wellness channel, and I'll catch you soon again with a very informative video. Till then, stay blessed, stay informed, and live life more. Bye.